Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arishokon Victor Olushola, and if this is your first time of visiting this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more information and enlightenment about the forex market. And today we are looking at one of the big questions you will face as a forex trader from people. That is forex gambling? That is, I as a forex trader, am I gambling? Now, this is the question we are going to be answering today on the channel. So, at first, this question might be very difficult to answer because gambling and the FX market are both filled with uncertainties. Now, the truth of the matter is that there is some percentage of gambling when opening a position. No one or expert can tell you with certainty what the USD will do today or what the will do tomorrow. So basically, the forex market is filled up with uncertainties. Same thing as the casino. You don't know the end result. Same thing as dog race, same thing as now let's look at the similarities between the forex market and gambling. There is no guaranteed outcome as to what's going to happen in both cases. Participants put money into the marketplace and hope they will make money instead of losing. In other words, buying the US dollar or betting on the outcome of a game isn't going to be much different. You either win or you lose. In forex, you either win or you lose. In gambling, you either win or you lose. So for the outcome is not certain. So a professional gambler or a professional trader must accept that there is no way to predict with certainty the outcome of a trade or bet in both cases. In both cases, you are both taking risk. Both professionals should understand that losing is part of the game. That is, both gambler and a forex trader should accept losing as part of the game. We are just looking at the similarities between the forex market and gambling. Finally, one major similarity between them is the psychological grit required for both pursuits. Both of them must prepare themselves for how to deal with losses, how to not overreact to losses, and how not to overtrade or overgamble in order to make up for losses. So now we're going to be talking about the differences between trading and gambling. You should go without saying that there are many differences between trading and gambling. That is, you as a trader, there should be a difference between you and the gambler. For starters, if you are a proficient currency trader, you will have a system for trading that has a positive expectancy over the long run. As a professional trader, you should have tested your system. That is, before you say you are a professional, before you can become a professional trader, you should be able to backtest your system if it's going to be profitable on the long run. You will know the ins and outs, and you will understand that there may be sometimes when you lose money consistently, but over time you should come out ahead. When it comes to gambling, there is much less signs and more chance, so your result over time may not be as consistent. Similarly, if you are a professional trader, you understand that there are specific circumstances or triggers that makes you put money into the market. This is called your trading edge. As a professional trader, you likely don't bother trading in inappropriate circumstances because you understand that. So, as a professional trader, you likely don't bother trading in inappropriate circumstances. That is, if all your setups does not match, if the criteria for your setup does not match what is happening in the market currently, you don't bother trading. That's what distinguishes you from a gambler. You don't just gamble and just say, okay, I feel the market is going to go up, or I feel the market is going to go down. You need to trust in your system, the kind of system or the kind of analysis you use. Just believe in your analysis. That is what will differentiate you from a gambler. In this sense, there's a major distinction between trading and gambling. Trading, when done properly, should have some science behind it, while gambling does not. Technical analysis is also a major contributor to the differences between trading and gambling, as you can have a set of indicator or a trading system. That's what I said earlier. So technical analysis, for instance, if let's say for instance, if my trade does not hit above a support and retest, I won't trade. That's the kind of setup I use. Also, you need to also believe in your own setup. I don't know the kind of setup you use. Also, you use technical analysis, but technical analysis is not available for the gambler. Lastly, another big distinction between trading and amateur gambling is money management, or should we call it risk management. as a trader, you should be able to learn the concept, or as a trader, you would know the concept of money management or risk, or managing your risk. But a gambler does not manage risk. There's no risk to manage. There's nothing. All he wants is once a trader, a gambler starts losing his money, his main aim is to gain his money back. But as a trader, when you lose a trade or two, you know, okay, this is time for me to just relax. I want to let my emotions get the best out of me. So that's one of the major difference between a gambler and a trader. So I hope you've learned a lot from this channel. If you've learned a lot, kindly subscribe to our channel for more educational updates and all. Thank you.